Hey guys, I'm back with yet another video, and in this one I would like to show you how you can easily find where you referenced all your methods in VS Code. VS Code is quite a powerful code editor, and in this video let me show you, for example, if you had this method here and you're trying to find out where you called it or whether you're actually using it in the first place, how can you do that? So instead of coming to your project and looking for that all over the place, you have thousands of files and you're trying to figure out where did I exactly call that method. It's quite easy. You just come to that, place your cursor right there, and right click, and here you'll see a number of options that VS Code provides you. There is function 12, there is command of 12, go to implementations and all that. But what we are looking for is find all references. Now you can click right here, or you can use the shortcut options and then shift function 12. And when you click on it right there, it will open this panel with all the references for that method. So for example, if I click on this one, I can see right here, that's where I'm calling that method. And I can also do it the other way around. Say if I'm on this and I'm trying to get back to where I define this method, how can I do that? Well, again, it's quite easy. Right click again, and this time round, you don't go to find all references, but you go to definition, or you can use the shortcut function 12. So when I click on that right there, you can see it takes me back to the definition of that method. So just like that, you can easily find where your methods are referenced in VS Code, also where your methods are defined. That's all for this one, guys. Enjoy.